Hi everyone, Angela here. To make this quick and easy turban, I'm going to be using a stretch rayon fabric with lycra. It's nice and lightweight with some memory. If you have some fabric but you don't know which side is the right side, just stretch it along the width of the fabric and it'll curl to the right side. You also want to make sure your fabric doesn't run when stretched. Lay your fabric right sides together, matching your selvage edges, and have the fold on the right hand side. Next, I place the side of my quilting ruler along the fold so that I can square up and straighten the bottom edge of my fabric. From the bottom, mark up 12 inches or 30.5 centimeters, and then from the fold, mark across 21 inches or 53 centimeters. Now, depending on the size of your head and the stretch of your fabric, you may need to make this length a little shorter or longer. Make a mark 7 inches from the top left corner, then 6 inches down on the side. On a 45-degree angle, make a mark 2.5 inches from the corner. And now just join those marks, making a nice wide curve. This is going to be the top and back of your head. Use your rotary blade or scissors to cut this out. Links for all the tools I use are in the description below. Then from this mark here, pin or clip about 1 inch to the right of it, and then if you need to, pin or clip the rest of the curve. We'll stitch from this bottom edge around to that mark. Now just do a straight stitch with a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter seam allowance. Now you can zigzag or use your overlock or a serger, but it's not necessary if your fabric doesn't fray. Now when you get close to the chalk mark, you're not going to stop there, but at the very edge. Back tack well so that seam is nice and strong. So this is the seam that we've just sewn. Turn it to the right side, and that top seam there that's finished, when you open it up, it has a V shape. Just remember that should be at the top of your head, and that edge there is the back of your neck. So the V at your forehead and the fold of the fabric in front of your face. Grabbing both sides of the fabric from the back, stretch and gather it, working your way up towards the top of your head. Twist it around twice, and then loop the rest of the fabric over your head. Neaten it up by turning in the raw edges. If you find it a bit loose, you can always twist the fabric 3 times before looping it over. And that will give you a really defined knot. Slide your fabric and knot to one side for a slightly different look. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to check out some of my other videos and to turn on that notification bell. Until next time, happy sewing!